Hi guys. I am just going to post this quick video to welcome you to English 1A. Making a statement, welcome you in front of a camera is not really within my comfort zone. I would much rather be in the classroom, like I think a lot of you would prefer. But given the current reality, I'm going to try to provide a lot of flexibility for you guys in terms of balancing your different responsibilities and also try to get some personalized connection. So this video is all about introducing me to you and also our class, just a few things about our class. So I was looking around my desk and I thought I would use a few things on my desk to introduce myself to you. One of the first things caught my eye is this cucumber melon. I've been gardening up a storm since we've been quarantined, and this is really cool. You open it up and it's actually like a cucumber. We also got a new dog. So I've got a little dog bone. Cute Labradoodle. I've also got my hand sanitizer and my mask, so I'm ready. And another thing you may not know about me is I have 2 kids, and my daughter made this picture for me yesterday. She's 7 and my son is 10, and they like to scooter around. And they're also learning Spanish. They go to a dual language immersion elementary school, so my son is reading this book, and my Spanish is not good enough to read it with him, so I'm working on my Spanish. You also may not know that I'm originally from Wyoming, so I'm a true cowgirl. And here is a picture of me, if you can see it, with my grandpa. That's me in the cowboy hat when I was about 6. And finally, you also may not know that I have a master's in English literature and a law degree, and I was a practicing attorney for a while. So I still like to read stuff about the law. I'm very interested in it. This is one of the most recent books I'm reading, which is about how laws were explicitly created to segregate and diminish people of color. So it's very interesting history relating to racism and the law. So that's a little bit about me. Now, you're probably also wondering what this class is going to be about. If you've already read the syllabus and taken the syllabus quiz, you know this class is basically about critical thinking, writing, and research. So I've been teaching this class for well over 10 years. I love it. I love teaching this class. And I'm always reading stuff like this, Teaching English in the 2-Year College. And I'm also working on an article that's going to be published in the same journal. So I'm super passionate about it, and I like to use a lot of techniques to get you guys thinking critically, interacting together, and working on your writing process. So this is another book that I focus on a lot, and this is a more practical book that I get a lot of my ideas from. So you'll see it's the Professor's Guide to Integrating Writing, Critical Thinking, and Active Learning in the Classroom. So that's what you'll see a lot of in this class. You're not going to hear me talking to you a lot because generally that makes passive learners. Instead, I'm going to create situations where you can talk to each other, where I'm asking you to think, interact with text, respond to what you're reading, think about your sources, and just a lot of informal and formal opportunities to write. So there's going to be a lot of writing, but a lot of it's just going to be low stakes, where you're using writing to learn and you're using writing to think. I hope that you guys get off to a good start in this class. And that's a little bit about me in the class, and I'll be posting a separate video that explains a little bit more about how to access different parts of the class.